To add these two fractions together, the first step is that we need to look for the common denominator. In another word, we need to make the bottom here the same. So to do this, we need to look for the lowest common multiple. So we call common denominator for fractions. So let's say we add. Now to do this, you find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. Now if you know, you can write it out straight away. If you don't, you have to list them out. This is, let's say 2. The next number is 4. I just list the multiple of 2. So 6, 8, and so on. For 3, 3, 6. And I stop here because 6 have the common multiple now. So the bottom here must be 6 and 6. That's how you find the common denominator. So therefore, from here to here, so 2 times 3 to give me 6. So therefore, this one must times by 3 as well. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now for next one, so from 3, this one here to 6. So 3 to 6 is we times by 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. So therefore, the top here times 2 as well. So 1 times 2 is 2. Now the bottom the same. They have the same common denominator if you like. So now I just add the top. So which is numerator if you like. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So which is 5 over 6. 3 over 11 plus 1 over 6. Again, we need to look for the lowest common multiple. In this case, in fraction, we call lowest common denominator. So they are the same. So to do this, I can just list factor of 11. So I can just list the multiple of 11. So 11, 22, and next one is 33. And after that is 44, 55, and 66. And I stop because 66 is also multiple of 6 because 6 times 11 is 66. So the bottom here is 66. From 11 to 66, we times by 6. So therefore, from 3 to this, also times by 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. And then the next fraction, 1/6. So from 6 to 66 is we times by 11. Because 11 times 6 is 66. So therefore, the top here need to times by 11 as well. So 1 times 11 is 11. So now the bottom the same, or they have the same common denominator now. So the answer is 29 over 66. 2/9 plus 3 over 10. So first of all, the common denominator is what we need to looking for. So to do this, now if you know, you can just write out. If you don't, we just list the multiple out. So in this case, I just write out, let's say 10, multiple of 10. So you go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. So 90 is multiple of 9 as well. So I stop there. It's 90. The lowest common multiple is 90. So just write 90 here and 90 here. So from 9 to 90, we times by 10. So therefore, the tops must times by 10 as well. So 2 times 10 is 20. So next one is 310. So from here to here, you times this by 9. Because 10 times 9 is 90. So this must times by 9 as well. So 3 times 9 is 27. So now the denominator are the same now. So I just add the numerator or the top if you like. So 20 plus 27 is 47. So 47 over 90. 18 plus 3, 9. So 1a plus 3, 9. So you can look at this 8 and 9. The common multiple of between these two is 72. That is the lowest. Otherwise, you can list them out. So let's say I list the 9 out. You only need to list one and you can see it. Otherwise, list multiple of 8 and 9 until you find one. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. See, 72 is multiple of 8 because 8 times 9 is 72. So we stop there. We just write 72 down. And this one here is 72. So now from 8 to 72, we need to times by 9. So therefore, the top also from here to here also need to times by 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. And then from 9 to 72, we times this by 8. So therefore, the top here must times by 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. So now we have the same common denominator. So the bottom the same now, if you like. So all we need to do now just add 9 plus 24. So 9 plus 24, so it becomes 33. So bottom, we just copied it down. So which is 33 over 72. And also, you can simplify this because both are divisible by 3. 33, I can simplify this. So which is divided by 3, the top, if I divide by 3, that give me 11. This divided by 3. 3 go to 7 is 2 times. So remainder 1. 3 go to 12 is 4. So the answer is 11 over 24. Please stop the video and do this one yourself. 1/4 plus 1/3. So first of all, we need to find the common denominator first. In another word, we need to find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. So in this case, it's 12. So this is 12 here, 12 here. So to get to 12 from 4, you times this by 3. So I top this time by 3. So this gives me 3. And then 1/3. So the 3 to go to 12 from here to here, we need to times this by 4. So therefore, this needs to times by 4 as well. So 1 times 4 is 4. So that's the same as 3/12 plus 4/12. So the bottom the same now. All we need to do, which is at the top. So which is 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 over 12. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. So the common denominator or the bottom, they're both okay is 20 in this case here, because 4 times 5 is 20. So that's how we get the number. Otherwise, if you list them out, you list a 5, look, 10, 15, 20. You stop because 20 is also multiple of 4. So the common denominator is 20. So that's how you get it if you're not sure how to find the common denominator. So from here to here, you times this by 5. So this must times by 5. So which is 1 times 5 is 5. Now from 5 to 20, you times this by 4. So from here to here, you times 4 as well. So which is 1 times 4 is 4. So now, which is all we need to do, which is add the top, because the bottom the same now. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 over 20. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 5. So the common denominator is 35. There you go. Because 5 times 7 is 35 in this case. So which is this? You times by 5. So which is 35. So top times by 5. So which is 10. So from 5 to 35, you times it by 7. From here to here, you times by 7. This one must times by 7 as well. So 3 times 7 is 21. So we just write this down, 21. So we just at the top, because the bottom the same now. So I just add right on the bottom first, which is 35. So 10 plus 21, which is 31. So the answer is 31 over 35. Last one here. So 7 and 8. So the common denominator is 56. So add 56 here. So from 7 to 56, I times this by 8. So therefore this time by 8 as well. So 3 times 8 is 24. And from 8 to 56, I times this by 7. So this time by 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. The bottom the same now. So just add 24 with 21. So 24 plus 21 is 45 over 56. Thank you so much for watching.